Sagittarius, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for April 2022. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also diving into this love oracle deck that I have here. Sagittarius, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of March, stepping into April 2022, we have the Hermit card. I think your responsibilities had increased at this time. Maybe the work pressure was mounting on you. You had to adjust. Perhaps you may have lacked focus at times, so there was the possibility that you had to redo the task. Still, you were somebody who was pushing yourself. This Hermit card is also telling me that maybe you had got insight with respect to problems that were there. I think you were getting the right perspective. Maybe there were disagreements, At times you may have also felt all alone, whether in personal relationships or on the home front. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Two of Pentacles here. This seems to be the card which is talking about the need for you to juggle, whether it's money or resources. I think you need to follow your instincts. Sagittarians, this month, you may want to take the risk, but sometimes risk may not turn out to be to our advantage. Or you could also be coming to conclusions, or you may assuming things this much. Perhaps Sagittarians, you should also listen to your own inner voice and judgment rather than depend upon another person. We could end up squandering our chances when you listen to the third person. Other than that, I'm also picking up that this month you could be technically challenged. So perhaps there's a need to brush up on your skills. Influences for this month, we have the Nine of Cups. I think you need to grab the opportunities that April is going to present to you. Definitely you will come away making gains. Maybe you will also reap the rewards of past effort that you have made. Ideally, I think Sagittarians, you need to capitalize on the decent start that you make. There's hard work in store for you. Some of you could also be quite hassled because there are disturbances while you're working, or there are other colleagues who are not helping you. I think you have to be ready because there are going to be matters that will require your urgent attention. Maybe you have to focus on them. Paperwork or technical work will also be something which will keep you busy. I think while dealing with clients also, you should ask for payment before you go ahead and you offer your services. The first 10 days of April, we have the Three of Pentacles. You see this lady here, she seems to be involved in an artistic venture. So it's highly likely, Sagittarians, you need to get down to business. Maybe you should also collaborate with others if you want to advance at work. Though there are going to be minor gains here, but then you should also be prepared for the hard work that is in store for you. I think you could also make some mistakes while at work, and you could deny the same, but then later you realize that you were at fault. Those of you who are in the leadership position can expect praise. I think you are a very encouraging boss. Besides, the achievement of your juniors is also going to reflect well on your credentials as a leader. The next 10 days, that is 11th to 20th April, we have the King of Cups here. Possibly at this time, Sagittarians, you need to seek assistance, or you need to seek the good counsel of a legal eagle or even a doctor or medical professional. Perhaps some of you are also helping others here, so you are going to be free with advice. I think your networking skills is also going to come in handy at this time. You should get the support, or you should seek support from your friends and acquaintances. Perhaps you believe that they are more kindly disposed towards you than your own family members. You will be someone who is going to achieve your ends. You will move from one task to another. I think you're also quite ingenious and creative. You will find alternatives to problems that are plaguing you. Sometimes equipment could not be available, but you are going to find a way out, like I said. Deals will also be struck at this time. Maybe Sagittarians, in case you are dealing with a colleague, maybe this colleague expects you to make allowances for clients, but I think you need to be quite firm here. The final days of April for Sagittarians, we have the Ten of Swords here. This is a very challenging card. You may feel overburdened, or you may be feeling down and out because of the responsibilities, or perhaps you also have to deal with rivalry and backstabbing within the work front. I think you're also somebody who is concerned about the family problems that are there. In case you're already working Sagittarians, I think you need to take a breather. You should take sufficient rest because you are going to be quite exhausted at this time. You know, your bad decisions could also plague you mentally. Perhaps you realize that everything in life is cyclic. You know, some bad decisions that we make could affect us internally, mentally. Maybe some of you are also dealing with a cash crunch here. In case you're already working, I think you will make gains, but then it may seem as if it's inadequate. Many of you also perturbed or hassled on account of the legal problems that are there. With respect to your love life, I have this card, letter, messages, love notes from the Love Oracle deck. I think the key is to communicate with your person. Perhaps you want to reach out to someone you fancy, you want to make it known to the person that you have feelings for him. But then your loved ones or your confidant may ask you not to do the same. Maybe they are going to pour water on your plans. Nevertheless, I think you should follow your heart and you should reach out to this person. Certainly, many of you want your person to acknowledge his feelings for you. I think the opposite sex is also going to assist you at this time, but you know, they may have a corner for you. So it's best not to string anyone along and give them wrong ideas about you fancying them. This month I'm also picking out that you could be dealing with an ex-flame. Perhaps this person could reach out to you. Or you could even have prophetic dreams with respect to your love life. Romancing Sagittarians, I think the key here is to communicate, to write those love messages to your person, to be more romantic. You know, lavender flowers, you also talk about romance or pure love, that is. Maybe your family members aren't too happy. That is why we have the Ten of Swords here. You could be a bit rattled on account of their reactions. Maybe they want you to put an end to this relationship. Nevertheless, I think you are in love with this person and you want to keep the romance alive. I think your lover is someone who's always thinking about you. Even if you question him on the same, he is going to be like the King of Cups. He is going to admit or concede that you are never far from his mind. On the other hand, married Sagittarians, I think you could be concerned about your spouse's financial decisions this month. Maybe you believe that your spouse has missed the bus or he has not capitalized on an opening which was there. Nevertheless, I think your spouse or your person is also somebody who is going to assist you at work. That is why we did have the Three of Pentacles here. Maybe this person is going to help you while you write letters or when you write official mails, that is. In case yours is an unhappy connection, I think you could be dealing with a very suspicious or touchy and temperamental partner. So Sagittarians, you need to keep your cool. Incidentally, from Lenormand, we have this card, Ring, which talks about contracts, whether personal or professional. I think you need to ink those deals. There could be negotiations on the card. You know, earlier in this reading, we did talk about everything being cyclic. And the ring is also a circle. So maybe you believe that things are repeating or there are repeated cycles or repeating patterns in your life. Nevertheless, I think there is going to be an offer for many of you, maybe because of the letter messages, love notes, cards you're communicating. So this person is going to acknowledge his feelings for you. Last but not the least, we also have this card, Offer. Wow, the Sagittarians, this card is talking about love or formal proposal here for many of you. I think you should let me know if there's going to be good news or if you hear wedding bells this month. You know, the cup of love is yours to take this month, so you should not hesitate. I hope Sagittarians you liked your reading. This is Tarot with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.